Guys, I'm going to make a little video, okay, showing these machines over here, because this is the machine where you buy your ticket to use the tram. Okay, the tram is over there, okay, the bus and the ferry. Okay, so you have these machines over here, 4 of them. Okay guys, if you're visiting Istanbul, you're going to need a transportation card. All right, if you don't have one, you cannot go onto the tram, onto the bus, onto the ferry. They don't accept cash. They don't accept cash. Okay, so you come over here to the machine, can change to your language, English. Okay, you're gonna buy the Istanbul card. That's what you need. Get over here, this card over here. Okay, and you're gonna pay in cash. All right, and you put over here 50 lira. Okay, just to get the plastic, just to get the card. All right, just to get the card. After you get the card, you are going to put money. I'm here with my friend Arturo. Okay, so if you need help with the machine over here, the Sultanahmet area, you can ask Arturo to help you, or one of the guys.
One of the guys?
Or one of the Arturo, or the other guy over there, the tall guy. They will help you. You give them, like something.
Something, little.
Yeah, little something, 20 liras. After you have the card that costed 50 liras, then you can add money. You can add, like 100 liras, 20 liras. Okay, you're gonna add credit to that card. Okay, to do that, you're just going to put the card on this screen over here. Okay, in my case, I already added money, so I have 56.8. Okay, if I want to add more, okay, let's see, I would just put the money over here, 10 liras for instance, or 20 liras, and then it would add 10 to this amount over here. It would be 56.8 plus 10 would be 66.8. Okay, it's not difficult. And also there are some guys over here, they will help you. Okay, you give them a little bit, they will help you. But if you don't have this card, you cannot use the transportation in Istanbul.
Ahmet ne zaman gidiyor?